Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming accounts and permissions so linking goes smoothly. Sign into Roblox and YouTube on the same browser, make sure your Roblox email is verified, and two-step verification is enabled if prompted. Once done, open Roblox settings and stay on the account info section while you switch tabs to YouTube. This prevents session timeouts and avoids repeated logins. Make sure pop-ups aren't blocked. Roblox will request a connection, and you need the YouTube consent window to appear. Next, initiate the actual link inside Roblox and follow the authorization flow. In Roblox, go to Settings, then Connections or Privacy, and select Connect YouTube. When the Google consent window pops up, pick the correct YouTube account and permit the requested scopes so Roblox can verify your channel. If you have multiple channels, explicitly choose which one to link. Otherwise, Roblox may pick your default. Once authorized, return to Roblox and accept the final confirmation so the accounts are associated. Finish by verifying the connection and running a quick test to ensure everything works. In Roblox, open connections and confirm your YouTube channel is listed. Then perform a simple action like claiming creator rewards or checking upload attribution to validate the link. If it failed, clear cookies or try an incognito browser, sign in again, and repeat the authorization. Make sure your YouTube channel meets eligibility rules, no strikes, verified and age compliant, because policy issues often block linking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.